Welcome back to It's Your Money, the ultimate destination for all things options trading. Are you ready to take your options trading to the next level? You will learn in this video one of the most important option Greeks, Theta, and we will explore its role in options trading. If you've been following our series on options trading, you know that the Greeks can provide important information about the price and risk of options. Besides delta, this is the option Greek we will use the most when trading options. And it will be critically important to your success. Theta specifically measures the rate of decline in the value of an option over time. Understanding Theta's impact on the value of your options is crucial if you want to be a successful options trader. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how Theta affects the value of your options, and how this knowledge can give you an edge when trading stock options. If you missed any of our previous videos, don't worry. You can catch up by clicking on the links in the description or in the cards above. Are you ready to start trading like a pro? Then, let's dive right in. What is Theta in options? Before we begin, let's review what you should already know. If you have watched our other videos in this series, you will already know. An options chain is where you will find all relevant information about the options Greeks. Call option contracts give you the right, but not the obligation to purchase 100 shares of an underlying asset sometime in the future. Put option contracts give you the right, but not the obligation to sell 100 shares of an underlying asset sometime in the future. An options delta lets you know theoretically how much a stock's option will rise or fall if the underlying asset rises or falls by $1. An options gamma is the ramp that lets you know how fast an options delta will climb or fall with a $1 move in the underlying asset. And today, you will learn exactly what the Theta in options does. Theta option Greek explained. As you enjoy the beautiful day at the beach, you might not realize it, but the hot summer sun is slowly fading your sunscreen. You can feel the sun getting hotter. And if you continue to lay in the sun without reapplying your sunscreen, then you risk getting a painful sunburn. In this example, the sun represents Theta and you are the stock's option. Just like the sun fades your sunscreen, if you continue to hold onto your option as they lose value due to Theta, you'll end up with a burned portfolio. If you don't want that, then it is important to understand how Theta decay works against your option. And it's rather simple to tell you the truth. The Theta decay curve Theta is the option Greek that measures the rate of decline in the value of an option premium as time passes during the contract. Theta helps you understand how much of an impact time can have on your option. I will tell you what. I will make this very simple for you. Think of a set of stairs. Each step represents a day. This is Monday. This will be Tuesday. And so forth. Now, in our notice that we will pay a premium of $4.20 for the right to buy Apple stock on or before February 17, 2023. You also notice the options Theta is negative 17 cents. This means that if it was Monday, the value of the option would decrease by 17 cents on that day if Apple moves or not. So in our example, you paid $4.20 for the option. And the Theta is negative 17 cents. This means that if Apple does not move or even goes against you and falls, you can expect the option's premium will decline by at least 17 cents. Why is this important to know? Because knowing the value of Theta each morning will alert you that if Apple stays the same or falls in price, what effect it will have on your option. For example, you wake up on Tuesday and check your trading app to see that the options premium has fallen to $4.13 and today's Theta is still negative 17 cents. This means if you continue to hold it and Apple doesn't move or goes against you again today, you can expect at least another 17 cents decline in your options premium. You wake up on Wednesday with a knot in your stomach as you check your options Theta, now at a daunting negative 19 cents. The question that plagues your mind is a heavy one: did you make the right decision in investing in this option? Should you cut your losses and exit now, or hold on and hope for a turn in fortune? Only you can determine the answer, as it all boils down to your personal risk tolerance. Conclusion. So remember, the Theta option Greek is like the hot sun, and it's slowly fading the value of your option. But with a little bit of strategy, you can protect your portfolio from getting burned. And just like how you would reapply sunscreen to protect yourself from the hot sun, you can adjust your options trading strategy to manage the impact of Theta. Theta is a crucial option Greek to understand and monitor as a stock options trader. By keeping an eye on the Theta decay curve, you can adjust your strategy. And you can effectively manage the impact of time on your options trades. Does that help you understand the concept of Theta and its role in options trading? Let me know in the comments. And let me know what you would like to learn next in the comments. Join us in our next video where we will be discussing the impact of the option Greek Vega on your options trades. See you there.